Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the Autopilot investment app. So if you don't know what this is, it is a marketing automation platform that helps businesses design and automate customer journeys across email, SMS, and in-app messaging. It features a visual drag and drop interface for building workflows without coding. So Autopilot integrates with popular tools like Salesforce, HubSpot, and Slack for seamless data syncing. Now let's head on over here to Trustpilot and see the reviews. And as we can see right here, they are rated poor, 2.2 out of 5 stars. And many people say that it is a scam. So TikTok Shop UK is a scam for sellers. It might favor your customers and creators, but for sellers, it's obviously a scam. You lose money as a seller on TikTok Shop UK. And another person said, Etsy price review. That's my order no, unless I can get any info on the chase this order. I cannot get info to contact the seller. 35 pound took. So this person got scammed, and a lot of people are saying that to avoid it, and blah blah blah. eToro and Webull are much better. And if you head on over here to Reddit, and this person asked, has anyone done Autopilot? So this person said he did it for 6 months and pulled out after many trades but zero gains. Tried 3 months, the performance lagged in the market, and I was missing out on a lot of gains. Didn't renew my subscription. So basically, this app is sort of a scam. So please don't use Autopilot. It is a waste of money. You should just use eToro and Webull as an alternative. So yeah, that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.